Moving to our welcome view controller, I'm going to import the JGP progress AGT so we can notify our user for different errors or successes. So I'm going to say import JG progress AGT, and also I'm going to import our NV activity indicator view so that we can show our user the loading of whenever we are registering the user. And under our after our IB outlets, I'm going to put a mark called this vars, and here we are going to set up our HUD and our activity indicator. So let HUD is equals to JG progress HUD with a style dot dark, and var activity indicator, which is going to be NV activity indicator view, and this is an optional. So these two variables we are going to need, and in our view did load here we are not going to do anything, but we are going to write a function view did appear, and I'm going to call super view did appear animated. And once our view is appeared, we are going to set up our activity indicator, which I'm going to copy and paste here, and this is going to be equals to NVA activity indicator view, and we're going to create one with frame color and also padding. So the frame is going to be CG rect, and we're going to create one with X, Y, width and height. And the X is going to be, basically we are going to put it in the middle of our view. So we say self.view.frame.width, and we're going to divide this by 2 and then say minus 30. Because our view is going to be 60 points, we are minusing 30 so that it is half of the width of our view. And the height, again, we're going to get the middle of our screen. So we say self.view.frame.height. Again, we're going to divide it by 2 minus 30. The width is going to be 60 points. And the height is going to be again 60 points. Then the type, I'm going to put dot here and write bold pulse. This is the one we are using inside our application. If you are using any other type of animation, just make sure you keep it consistent throughout your application. The color, I'm going to use this orange color, and if I say color littler here, we are going to set our red is going to be 0.99984699949. Then the green is going to be 0.4941213 727, and the blue is going to be 0.473486781, and alpha is going to be 1, and padding I'm going to pass nil here. So this activity sets up our activity indicator view. Moving down to our IB actions here, we have our cancel button, which I want to start with this because this is the most straightforward and easy function. So we are going to come back at the bottom here. I'm going to put a mark, call this helpers, and we're going to say private func dismiss view. And here basically we are going to say self.dismiss, and we're going to dismiss our view. And animated going to be true, completion nil. So there is nothing we need to do. And in our cancel button, I'm going to put dismiss view function. We are writing this dismiss view separate function, so we can call this every time we want to dismiss our view, which will happen in our login as well, because whatever we do, we just want to get rid of our view, so we are going to call dismiss on it.